Hello again. Welcome to Uncle Geoff's Easy-Peasy English. Today we're looking at take place and occur. Which one do you use and when? You will be pleased to hear that native speakers often get this wrong, so don't worry if you do. But if you want to speak English well, this is the rule. If an event takes place, it happens after a plan of some sort. For example, the contest takes place every 4 years. If an event occurs, it takes place without someone planning it. For example, when did the accident occur? As I said, even native speakers get it wrong, so don't worry. But to speak English well, use take place if it's planned, use occur if it's unplanned. English grammar, take place and occur, they are easy peasy. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time on Uncle Geoff's Easy Peasy English. Bye bye for now.